I'll teach you how to play that bike, Aiden. It's so small.
Can I put the balance? Why don't you want the 4 wheels? You know.
What 4 wheels? You're 38 years old. 4 wheels is
Come back, Achilles, come back. Careful with...
nobody teach you, that's why.
Come here. We let Aiden use that one because that's small. Come. We will hold you.
Come.
We're many to hold you. Come here. Aiden.
He's just sitting inside the car. I've never seen a bike like this. It's so...
Aiden, come here. Hold Auntie Jared. Aiden, we will hold you. Don't be scared.
You see, look. I can do it. I can do it.
Hold this one.
Hold you. Come sit.
Yeah, too small. You're... Careful ha.
I'm moving here.
Nantudlo pang may kamao kayo.
No, go. Yeah? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Be like Vector. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. No. Oh, no.
Okay, go.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Yeah, it's easy.
Yeah, it's easy. That's good. Way better. More practice, Aiden. Pagkagulo. Okay, Achilles, bike.
So we just go in a circle. We just go in a circle. Like this. And then,
No, don't. Achilles.
like you're going to fall, you apply the brakes, okay? Because if you're going too fast, what if you hit something? Right? Like
Okay.
you hit the
Look,
brake.
give some instruction about regarding with the right foot and the left foot.
So you have to push your right foot and out. So you see, when are you able to balance that?
Okay. We go in the other side.
Don't worry, no one.
Okay. You balance. You adjust.
Are you balanced?
Don't put your left foot first. Balance first.
Balance.
Look up.
Okay. Are you liking this?
You should be in the backside. You gotta be scared. Don't be scared. You're not coming in this side. You can. Move, Aiden. Don't block.
Focus in head.
No, be careful. Be careful. Oh, you can park now. And let's go. We will get your things and you have to go home. Your daddy's waiting for you. We parked the bike in the back side. At least we played on the bike.